Hi! In this video, we will start an introduction to alternating current. Electricity comes in two forms: alternating current, which is AC, and direct current, denoted by DC. Both are essential to enable the functioning of our electronics. But what do you know about the difference between the two and what they apply to? Now, both AC and DC describe types of current flow in a circuit. In DC, the electric charge only flows in one direction, while in AC, the electric charge changes direction periodically. Batteries use direct current. But inside our home, we use alternating current because mains electricity is an AC supply. For example, when you switch a light on, you use alternating current. An alternating current repeatedly reverses its direction. It flows one way, then the opposite way in successive cycles. And we call the number of cycles it passes through each second the frequency. Mains electricity is the form of electrical power that is delivered to homes and businesses. People use this electricity to power everyday items. And that's by plugging them into a wall. Every main circuit has a live wire and a neutral wire. The current through a mains appliance alternates. Why is that? It is because the mains supply provides an alternating potential difference between the two wires. In other words, we can say that the polarity of the potential difference repeatedly reverses its direction. In comparison, potential difference in DC circuits do not change direction. Now, the neutral wire is earthed. That means it is connected to the 0 volts at the local electricity substation. And the potential difference between the live wire and the earth is usually called the potential or voltage of the live wire.